Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Kim Krompass from the Price Action Traders Institute with a live Forex trading video for you. It is Monday, March 4th. It's the first day of the month of March of trading for me. And it's also a day when I don't do the planning sessions with our paid members. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm trading and what I looked at this morning during the New York session. I'm going to run through the 10 pairs that we look at and analyze in our trade planning sessions very quickly and show you what I saw and what I'm trading or not trading. And the euro dollar, beautiful clear directional move to the downside. There was no entry for me from the time I started. I started right at the New York Open this morning, and there unfortunately has not been an entry for me. Same with the EJ, no entry based on the New York Open, and just watching this for now. The pound dollar, also in a nice move to the downside. I did get in on an entry, and I'm currently short this pair from 96 and looking for a move or drop down into 31.50. Pound yen, also no entry yet on this pair. AU just ranging. AJ also ranging. Dollar yen ranging for now. Dollar CAD, I am in this on a long trade, looking for a move up into 33.50. The CAD yen, I'm in a short trade on this one. Also a nice move to the downside. And the New Zealand dollar, no trade yet on this, still ranging about. I'll come back with any updates. So again, that is 3 trades I'm in. The pound dollar, the dollar CAD to the long side, and the CAD yen to the short side. Okay, it's almost 8 a.m. here in California, 11 a.m. on the East Coast, and I'm going to go ahead and just run through the pairs again. As I mentioned, no trades on the EU this morning for me, none on the EJ. The pound I'm in currently, and it's time to actually move my stop down now. I'm going to go ahead and lock in 5 pips on this trade, and I'm targeting down here at 31.50. Didn't take any trades on the pound yen, but it looks like it's moving very beautifully. Let's see, how many pips is this candle? Just out of curiosity. It is, it is 26 pips. So we have some momentum here. AU no trades, AJ no trades, dollar yen no trades. And the Canadian dollar now is starting to break this previous high over here. So I'm going to go ahead and move this stop up. And I am actually going to lock in 10 pips on this trade, so 1-to-1. CAD yen also breaking lower, time to move this stop down too. And I'm going to lock in 10 pips on this trade. All right, so I'm locked with 10 pips on the CAD yen, 10 pips on the dollar CAD, and the pound dollar I'm locked with 5 pips. So worst case scenario, I'll come up with 25 pips this morning, which is a good session. And we'll see what this next candle does as the London session comes to a close. Okay, I'm back with another update. We're about to get a close candle here, and I'm going to go ahead and now move some stops down or up. And this one I haven't moved yet, but I'm going to go ahead now and lock in 10 pips on this trade. So locking 1-to-1 using a 10 pip stop, I've now locked in plus 10 on the dollar CAD. I've moved this stop up here to lock in 20 pips now as I target above. So I'm targeting up here at 33.50 and with 20 pips locked. And on the CAD yen, I've locked in 17 pips here, 17.5 pips at the level. And looking for price to just come down into this 83.80. And I'm going to give this probably the close of this candle, which happens in about 30 seconds, and then see what the next candle does. And I might just pull these trades off. I'll be back with any updates. All right, the candle has closed, and I'm going to go ahead now and start closing out trades. So I'm taking the pound dollar off for plus 21. That one's closed, and let's go ahead and move around to the dollar CAD, and the dollar CAD I'm taking off for plus 30. And the CAD yen, I'm going to go ahead and take that off also for plus 30. So that gives me plus 81 for the day. So again, that was 3 trades this morning out of the New York session, and let's just recap this very quickly. The GU was plus 21. Let's try to redo that. Plus 21. The CAD and the CAD yen both were plus 30. And that brings that to a plus 81 total for this morning and for the first day in March. So not a bad day. Let's just quickly run through everything again. Again, euro dollar, just because of the timing when I started the New York session, I wasn't able to get into any of this move. The EJ also, because of my timing, sitting down just for the New York session, missed this move. And the pound dollar, that's the one I did get into and booked plus 21. The pound yen, again, also because of my timing, and wasn't able to get in and didn't want to get in. Actually, could have gotten in somewhere in here and chose not to. I think I wanted to keep the number of trades that I had working down this morning. AU, there were no opportunities. AJ, there was a short opportunity there. Didn't take it. Also, the dollar yen, an opportunity, did not take it late in the session. Dollar CAD again was in this trade to the long side, booked 30 pips, jumping out of it. CAD yen also in this to the short side, booked 30 pips. And then New Zealand, there were no real trade opportunities this morning. So that's it. Real simple trade planning from the New York session. We also do this for the London session, and it's exactly pretty much the same steps. If you're interested in finding out more about how we trade this simple method, this is for day traders only. Again, you can reach us at the priceactiontradersinstitute.com and send us an email if you want to ask any questions. All right, that's it for this video. Have a great day and have a great start to your week and month.